Hello students, how are you? Here is a feedback on worksheet number 5. In item number 1, the answers were: cherries are delicious. Yummy, I love fish. I'm thirsty. Yuck, I hate garlic. Cheese is very tasty. I'm hungry. Here is the complete dialogue in item number 2. Congratulations to the students who sent me the video. I liked your work. You will have extra credits for your next grade. Congratulations. Do you like healthy or unhealthy food? I love healthy food. Why? Because healthy food has many vitamins and minerals. Do you like vegetables? I like vegetables a lot. I love salads with lettuce and avocado. They are very tasty. What do you like to drink when you're thirsty? I love water. How about food you don't like? I think I hate garlic. Yuck. What's your favorite fruit? I love cherries and apples. Oh, I'm hungry now. Don't worry, I have some delicious cherries in my bag. Great! Let's go to worksheet number 7. For worksheet number 7, you will have to use this dialogue, the dialogue in worksheet number 5, to create your own comic. Please change the vocabulary in the blanks. Vitamins and minerals, vegetables, a lot, tasty, thirsty, hate, love, hungry, delicious. If you want to, you can change it all. Keep in mind that this dialogue has to be about food. Now, how will you create your own comic? Like this. There are 6 panels in this worksheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. However, you can add more panels. You can draw and/or cut and paste images, like this. Do you like healthy or unhealthy food? I love junk food. Why? See, I changed the dialogue. Here's a quick tutorial on how to create your own comic. Step 1. Think on your storyboard. What is your story about? Bakery? A restaurant? Who are the characters? Are they human? Are they animals? How do they look like? What actions you want to draw? Step number 2. Written script. Write your own script. Remember, you can use the dialogue on your worksheet, but you have to change the vocabulary. The last step is choose your panels. The panels in worksheet number 7 are 6 and they are squares, but you can make more panels and/or change the shape of your panels. Let's go to Google. About the aesthetics of your comic, you can go to Google and write comic signs, and you can use this for sounds, or you can write comic clip art and use these dialogue bubbles for your comic. These are just ideas. Have fun!